First of all, I would like to thank our administration for striving so hard to keep our college on the zenith. Our Vice Chancellor, Principal, Directors and faculty are very strategic, efficient and student friendly. We have conducted lots of workshops, like first is brainstorming on innovation incubation centers, faculty training workshops, and entrepreneurship workshops in which entrepreneurs shared their success stories and startup ideas. The path-breaking advancement we had is the Innovation and Research Center. When we were fellows, when we got launched as fellows, and before that, this was under construction, it was not inaugurated. But after we returned from the Silicon Valley meetup, we got inspired so much. University Innovation Fellows has a great impact on my life, as well as on my attitude. I've developed lots of exposure, a dense network of peers, empathy, confidence, responsibility, and most of all, thinking in a solution-oriented way. And this motivated us to set up a club called Idea Club. In this, students learn only by doing. Its main activities are design thinking sessions, idea sharing sessions, field trips, and student-led projects. The other significant change we had is having a paperless office for our administration in our college. And for this to happen, we need to have seamless Wi-Fi. So we had discussions with our principal regarding this, and tenders have been called to establish the seamless Wi-Fi. As I said, it is the most most recent advancement towards innovation in our campus, and it was not constructed and it was not inaugurated before, and we pressurized as administration to inaugurate it. And lots of workshops have been conducted, like in Innovation Center, they have brainstorming workshops in which students shared their startup ideas, faculty training workshops, and entrepreneurship workshops. And other important change we had is we replaced the hierarchical model of administration with no boss kind of administration, so that the students can interact freely with the administration and express their ideas freely. Even though the system and the people work hard to make students' lives better, it is the students who have the responsibility to take initiative and participate. We had this great challenge, and this is my topic. So whenever I used to think of any workshop or event to be conducted, a doubt used to arise in my mind. How will the response be? Will it be able to attract people? So I went deep into the matter and found 4 root causes for it. The first one is inhibition to take initiative, as most of us have, more importance to academics, lack of exposure or awareness, and monotonous and long workshops. In future, we want to replace have a change in curriculum so that innovation will be a part of curriculum, and students will have some place and time to enjoy, collaborate, innovate, and design. We also plan to have a smart campus in which the first thing we want to develop an app to connect the whole campus, and we want to develop the e-learning infrastructure so that the students can learn independently. We also want to develop a green campus which runs mostly on solar energy. We have all these plans of action, and we want the students to come up, pioneer, participate, and progress. So how can you help the students forge ahead their innovation, and make world a better place? Thank you.